Oops, there's some cereal. Oh, there's also some M&Ms in here too. Ah, that's a mess. Look at that. What if it gets smeared all around? That's pretty nasty, right? Right there. Some soda too. Bleh, ew. We're gonna turn on the MACH V1. We have the power button. It's ready. It's on smart mode. All we need to do, you see that light right there? It means it's ready. All you gotta do is tip this up and it's ready to activate. Let's go ahead and clean this. Let's do this. Here we go, here we go. First pass, let's eat it up. Oh yeah, there we go. That's the first pass right there. That's pretty good. Second pass. Oh yeah, that's just sucking it up. This is crazy. Look how good that is right there. So there's still a little bit of debris. We'll go back one more time. Boom. And a little bit more right there. Oh, it's just cleaning it up so easily. There we go. It's gone. It is gone. Boom. And we are done. Once you put it upright, it will stop and you can see what we collected. So let's pull this out. Look at what the solids collected. Look at that. So this is all the solid that's got collected. All the cereal, all the nastiness right there. See? And underneath, there's the liquids, right? So it separates it so you can easily dump this. So there we go. You got all that. Very powerful vacuum cleaner. That's all the mess that it was able to pick up right here on the MACH V1 right there. Ew.